everyone. Today I will be talking about newborn screening and why it is important. What is newborn screening? In newborn screening, after 48 hours of life of the baby, very little blood sample is taken either from heel prick or when we are taking sample for jaundice testing of the baby. It covers many genetic, endocrinological and hemoglobin disorders. The most common of these is thyroid problems, predominantly hypothyroidism. Now, hypothyroidism at the time of birth is seen in around 1 in every 2000 to 2500 live births, which is not at all less incidence, as in India there are so many deliveries happening every day. Why it is important to pick up early? Because the earlier we pick it up, we can easily treat it with thyroid supplements, and if not treated, it can cause mental retardation, irreversible intellectual disabilities. If we don't pick up at birth, then the diagnosis can be delayed for months or sometimes even for years, leading to poor outcome. Besides thyroid, the other diseases which are checked for in this test are G6PD deficiency. In this deficiencies, children may have prolonged jaundice, they may have bad reactions to certain drugs. So if you know your child has G6PD deficiency, you can be careful about these things. Galactosemia, another metabolic disorder. If you diagnose it early, then with certain dietary restrictions, complications can be prevented. Phenylketonuria, another metabolic disorder, again with simple dietary restrictions and basic treatment early in life, child can be completely normal. Certain amino acid disorders, certain fatty acid oxidation disorders, which can cause severe problems if missed initially. Biotinidase deficiency, this is an enzyme very important for the utilization of biotin in the body, which is very important for good brain development. This deficiency can lead to neurological problems, fits, seizures. So if we pick this up also early, we can easily supplement the baby with biotin and the baby does very well. Besides this, your congenital adrenal hyperplasia, this is an endocrinological problem which can cause certain abnormalities in the genitals, especially of girls, and in both girls and boys it can lead to sudden wastage of salt and vomitings, and the child can become very sick. So if this hormonal deficiency is picked up early on, then supplements can be given and the child can be followed up accordingly. Besides this, newborn screening also covers hemoglobin disorders, so it can pick up things like thalassemia minor or sickle cell or even thalassemia major. So these days, because mothers are also screened for thalassemia, most of the babies are being prevented from having thalassemia major. So I would strongly recommend to get this test done for all babies after delivery. In fact, if some relatives are listening to this, I would say rather than gifting some fancy toys or clothes to the child, why not gift money for a newborn screening of the child? And besides this blood test, another newborn screening which is important is your newborn hearing test. It's a very simple test. It is done within minutes, totally painless. These days, a lot of hospitals are doing it before discharge for babies. In case the place where you deliver your baby is not doing it, you can inquire from your pediatrician where you can get it done. Again, you will say we can come to know at 6 months or 4 months that the child is turning to sound or not. Why go for the test so early on? Same reasoning. If we pick up hearing problems early on, the treatment is more efficient, and sometimes subtle hearing losses can be missed for a long time, and that can affect the speech as well, and then a long rehabilitation may be required. So whenever a newborn is delivered, please, along with other things, the child's vaccine, the child's health, the child's feeding, please go ahead with newborn screening as well.